y'all, what's up? So y'all don't even know what we about to do, but I'm gonna bring y'all with me. It's real messy over here. Oh. Fully stocked though. I don't see nothing like. Oh, maybe I should get some bobby pins. I still need some bobby pins. Like for real, they are fully stocked. With everything. What's up, man? Oh, these are so cute. These little sponges, they're so cute. I like these. Put whatever in there, change whatever. I got that off of, I saw it on Dazzling 77's channel, I believe. A lot of the girls have that. That is so cute. And yesterday I came up here, they didn't have it right there, so they just put those out. Okay, so I found it on the wheel, and I am out of here. I'm not about to start picking up stuff and grabbing stuff. Y'all know how it is in Dollar Tree. Walmart, next destination. You know I'm about to vlog in here, y'all. So guys, as much as I don't like the laundromat, I think I'm kind of starting to like it. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm saying that. But it is so much quicker for me to do laundry at the laundromat. It takes forever to do laundry at home. So I had 2 loads of clothes that I needed to wash, and I went to the laundromat to do it because I was already going out. So I threw those 2 loads in, got that done. It was so quick, so fast, and we were out of there in no time. But if I would have did it at home, I would have had to wash the loads separately. Do you guys kind of get where I'm going? Like, it just takes forever. So I just brought you guys to the laundromat with me. And just that quick, guys, we are done. I'm folding clothes and we are getting ready to get out of here. Okay, let's go in here and look and see if we see some cute purses, because I want a purse, but I want an affordable, cheap purse today. Wait, check. Oh, wait, here goes Sandra. I got this coach over. It's ugly though. I think they got another section with some purses in the back. I'm not sure. I think this was a miss for sure. Oh, there you go. Tons and tons and tons of. This little one, I don't know what that is, but it came up. What's that on that? That's the phone. This kind of cute. What's this? It's kind of cute. For $2.99. What y'all think? I would wear it. That's cute. Oh, look at this one. It got lips on it. It's like a little clutch or something. I don't know. It's not that cute though. Kind of cute. Oh, look at this. This is cute. It's not nasty. It's cute. Only $1. It's cute. Estee Lauder. This is really cute. For what? $3.99. See, I'm not gonna lie. If this was black, I would get it. If it was black and in decent condition, I would get that. That's kind of cute. Okay. I guess we'll go to the next store. Everybody's favorite place. Okay. It's nice. How much they want for this? Girl, not for $60. Girl, Ross play too much. No. No, ma'am. And I don't want no little bag. I really don't want a little bag. I don't. It's okay. Oh, look at this thing, my little bag. Now this is cute. It got a little wallet, and it's only $36. It's kind of cute, but it's white. And yeah, it's only $20 though. I don't know. It's cute. I would definitely take the scarf off. That scarf is ugly, but the bag itself is decent. $34. What y'all think? Yeah. Oh, look at this bead bag. It's cute. This the size I'm looking for, something like this. Actually decent. Y'all, I forgot about these bags that we have at the front. But ain't cute over here. I don't see anything cute. Because you know, when you see bags, it's like they'll catch your eye real quick. So, oh, it is open. Sally's is open, so we're gonna go in Sally's really quick. We were gonna go out to eat, but my husband is cooking Sunday dinner, and it's gonna be delicious. So yeah, we're gonna go out to eat maybe some other time this week. Okay, we are in Sally's. Don't y'all love TJ Maxx? Well, let's see what we can find in TJ Maxx. Probably nothing. We have not had a good shopping spree day. There's nothing cute. I haven't seen anything that catches my eye that makes me want to spend my money on it, okay? But we're about to see. Nothing. Oh, this is a big Steve Madden bag. Okay, I should have had to see TJ Maxx. This is cute. It's nice and big too, and so is that one. It's real cute. Jessica Simpson. Let's see. Yeah. Ted Baker. I'm starting to see this a lot. Have y'all heard of Ted Baker? I guess I'm late because I've been saying that a lot. Ted Baker. Look at this little bag. Baby, I don't like Juicy that much, so it gotta be really cute for me to, like, extremely cute for me to buy one of these. Okay, I'm dropping stuff. This is cute. And I've been saying I need one of these bags. How much they want for these? Girl bag. For $100. I mean, that ain't too bad, but it's cute. But I need it a little cheaper. It's a cute Steve Man bag. Too small. I definitely am trying to step my tote game up. I don't really see nothing. Look at this coat bag. This shape's really awkward. This is shaped really awkward, but I guess. But I got one of those juicy bags back there. That's cute. I like the pattern, the color. It's really pretty. Yeah, nothing's catching my eye once again. Look at this. Now this is cute. This is cute. Okay, Steve Man. I think that's my next step to collect some of his bags. Look at this one. That's cute. Man, it got a little water bottle. Look at this. That is so cute, so girly. Oh, they got another one right here too. Well, this is a diaper bag, book bag, whatever. Overnight bag. It's cute. Well, I just want to thank you guys. If you stayed to the end, I want to thank you for staying to the end. I am trying this little vlog thing, honey. I'm going to get it together. It's going to be nice after a while, okay? Give me some time. It takes time to learn things, okay? Everything is basically closed. I found a couple of items, but I didn't really do too much shopping. But I was like, let me bring y'all along with me. Why not? So yeah, I didn't find too much of nothing. Sadly. So hope you guys enjoyed the vlog.